Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum, children. I hope you're all doing very well. In today's lesson, we will learn about sentences. What are sentences? And there are different kinds of sentences. A sentence is a complete thought put into words. It is a meaningful thought. What do you mean by meaningful thought? For example, if I say, didi da dum dum dan dum, does it make any sense? No. It is a nonsense sentence. So we will not call it a sentence at all. On the other hand, if I say, today is a beautiful day, it makes a complete sense and gives out a complete meaning. So this is a meaningful sentence, and therefore we will call it a sentence. There are different types of sentences. We will discuss them in detail. The first type is declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Let us discuss all these kinds in detail. Declarative sentences are basically statements that give out any piece of information. These are simpler sentences, and the purpose is to inform about an event or any idea. All right? For example, if I say that I study at Dar-e-Arqam school, this is a statement and this is an information. So, for example, to give you more examples, we can say she is coming home tonight. Again, this is an information and a simple sentence. We can also say that I am going to cook food tonight. Again, this is an information. And this is a mere simple sentence. I hope you understand what declarative sentences are. We move on to our next kind, interrogative sentences. Interrogative or interrogation means questioning. So these are questioning sentences. When you have to ask a question, you will ask them in the interrogative form. For example, you will say, have you eaten your food? This is a question. Similarly, you can also say, have you finished your work? Again, this is a question. Let us look at some more examples. You can also question anybody, where do you live? Question. Why should I do this? Question. What are you doing right now? Again, a question. These are all interrogative forms. The third form is that of imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are commanding sentences. They give out a command. And for example, if I say, sit down, this is a command. Don't make noise, again, a command. You must come to school on time, command. If I say, please complete your homework on time, again, a command. Alright? So, imperative sentences are a commanding sentences. The fourth form of sentences are exclamatory sentences. Now look at the word exclamatory sentences. When you make an exclamation, a sudden show of excitement or shock also sometimes, or sadness, any kind of emotion, when that comes through, those kind of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. For example, you can also when you say, "Hurrah! We have won the match." So this is a sudden excitement when you won the match. Of course, yes, we've won the match. These are all excitement sentences. What a beautiful day! Or what a beautiful view! All these are excitements, emotions that are coming through. Or sometimes sadness also. Alas, we didn't listen to the teacher's advice. This is sadness. Or sometimes surprise also. What are you saying? This is a question along with a surprise. So this could be exclamation also. Okay? Are you serious? Again, a question and an exclamation. This is two-toned. I hope you understand these different types of sentences. Let us do a recap quickly. Today we've learnt about 4 different kinds of sentences. Declarative sentences, which are statements, simple statements. Interrogative sentences, which are questioning sentences. Imperative sentences are commanding sentences. Don't go there. Those kind of sentences. Exclamatory sentences are exclamations. Yes, we've done it. These kind of sentences are exclamations, excitement, surprise, sudden emotions. These are exclamations. If there are any questions, I'm sure you have your avenues. You can ask on Google Classroom and on your WhatsApp group. We will end our session today. Please open your books on page 4 and 5 and do exercise C, part 1 and 2 in your copies. Take care of yourselves and your family. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, we will meet again.